Older Adults and Exercising by Devolia Howe. There is this myth that older adults do not like exercising. However, one of the key factors in healthy aging is physical activity, and that includes exercising. This is hardly the picture of the frail and fragile senior citizen many people claim to. Pros of older adults and exercising. Regular physical activity can help prevent a vast range of health problems. Exercising boosts punctuality or makes day-to-day activities easier. Physical activity can help you avoid or manage a range of mood disorders, including depression, anxiety, and boost self-esteem in older adults as they transition through the aging process. What are the cons against older adults in exercising? Exercising can leave older adults susceptible to muscle, joint, and bone injuries. Some older adults may feel shaky, lightheaded, dizzy, or nausea when they are exercising. Compulsive exercise, especially when combined with disordered eating, can lead to a range of health problems, including insomnia, anxiety, and reduced bone density. Therefore, from my perspective, this image refutes stereotypes about aging. The truth is, baby boomers are shattering the traditional mold of what it means to be a senior. Instead of retiring at the age of 65, many are just now doing their best work and want to continue to do it for as long as possible. Instead of slowing down and taking it easy, they are traveling the world, seeking out new adventures, and instead of withdrawing from society, they are more engaged than ever and finding new ways to remain healthy and active. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.